Bryan Kohberger Idaho murder case update. What new webcams show? Lawyers for quadruple murder suspect Bryan Kohberger raised new questions on Thursday regarding surveillance and webcam footage on the night of the crime. Kohberger, 29, has been charged with 4 counts of first-degree murder and 1 count of felony burglary in connection with the fatal stabbings of Kaylee Goncalves, 21, Madison Mogan, 21, Xana Kernodle, 20, and Ethan Chapin, 20. The bodies of the 4 University of Idaho students were found in an off-campus home on November 13, 2022, in Moscow, Idaho. Kohberger has maintained his innocence in the case, previously standing silent during his arraignment, allowing the judge to enter not guilty pleas for each charge against him. Meanwhile, his legal team has continued to seek to have the trial moved out of Latah County, Idaho. On Thursday, Kohberger appeared in court for a hearing relating to his lawyer's request for new evidence. During the hearing, Kohberger's lawyer Ann Taylor questioned Moscow Police Detective Lawrence Mowry about surveillance footage taken from Windy.com, a website that hosts cameras across different parts of the country, including Idaho. Mowry explained that he was told by prosecutors to look over the surveillance footage on the website earlier this week and hoped that they would find a screenshot from the day of the murders. "But you didn't look back then, you waited until yesterday. Is that right?" Taylor asked. In response, Mowry said, "No, we looked back then. Most of the photos that were taken for the daily screenshots were daytime." Newsweek reviewed camera footage from Windy.com, but it did not show any footage from the day of the murders. Available footage on the website is from November 9, 2022, roughly 2 weeks before the murders. During the hearing on Thursday, Kohberger's defense team also argued that evidence that should be made available through discovery is being withheld by prosecutors. In addition to cell phone tower information, defense attorneys also seek video and audio recordings of a white sit-in near the scene of the crime that investigators used to link Kohberger to the murders. Last month, Kohberger's legal team provided new information relating to an alibi, saying that his mobile device was south of Pullman, Washington, and west of Moscow, Idaho on November 13, 2022. The affidavit used in the arrest of Kohberger alleged that his cell phone pinged near his off-campus Washington State University, WSU, apartment at 630 Northeast Valley Road at 2:42 a.m. At 2:44 a.m., Kohberger was seen on surveillance footage from WSU traveling north on Southeast Nevada Street at Northeast Stadium Way.